calling all new moms. Say goodbye to postpartum hair loss woes as we share effective tips and tricks to nourish your hair and support regrowth. Get ready to reclaim your luscious locks and rock that new mom glow. Hey there, beautiful moms! Welcome back to my channel, Bold and the Beautiful, where we're all about helping you navigate the incredible journey of motherhood. Today, we're diving into a topic that many new moms experience: postpartum hair loss. If you're wondering what you can do to tackle this common issue and promote healthy hair growth at home, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off by addressing the elephant in the room: postpartum hair loss. Many new moms experience excessive hair shedding after giving birth, and it's completely normal. So, what can you do about it? First and foremost, be gentle with your hair. Avoid excessive brushing or pulling, as it can further stress the already weakened hair strands. Opt for wide-toothed combs or gentle brushes to detangle your hair, starting from the ends and working your way up. Now, here's a little secret. A healthy diet plays a crucial role in supporting hair regrowth. Focus on incorporating nutrient-rich foods into your meals to nourish your body from the inside out. Include foods that are rich in vitamins A, C, L, A, and D, along with biotin, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients promote healthy hair growth and can be found in foods like leafy greens, fruits, eggs, fish, nuts. Another fantastic way to promote hair regrowth is through scalp massages. Yes, you heard it right. Gently massaging your scalp increases blood flow to the hair follicles, which can help stimulate hair growth. Use your fingertips to apply light pressure in circular motions, and take a few minutes each day to indulge in this relaxing self-care ritual. Now, here's a game changer. Opt for Haircare products that are specifically designed to promote hair regrowth and nourish your scalp. Look for shampoos and conditioners that contain ingredients like biotin, keratin. They're known for their hair strengthening and nourishing properties. These products can help rejuvenate your hair and encourage healthy regrowth. Here's an interesting twist. Have you considered natural remedies to support hair regrowth? They can be a great addition to your at-home postpartum hair care routine. Ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, and castor oil are known for their moisturizing and nourishing properties. Applying these natural remedies to your scalp and hair can provide extra nourishment and support healthy regrowth. Last but not least, don't forget the power of self-care. Taking care of yourself mentally and emotionally can have a positive impact on your hair and overall well-being. Prioritize stress management techniques. Practice relaxation exercises and indulge in activities that bring you joy. Remember, a happy and healthy you translates into happy and healthy hair. To sum it all up, postpartum hair loss is a common occurrence, but with the right care and practices, you can support hair regrowth and restore your beautiful locks. Embrace the journey of motherhood and take the time to care for yourself and your hair. You deserve to feel confident and radiant as you navigate this incredible chapter of your life. That wraps up today's video, my fabulous moms. We hope you found these tips helpful in addressing postpartum hair loss and promoting regrowth at home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more motherhood-related content. Until next time, keep shining, super moms, and remember that you're amazing